how this throttle ring works out. That is amazing. Jesse, my friend, you gotta do it. You gotta do it, brother.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to B-Rent's Garage. I had a week off last week. I'm not gonna lie. I had some pressing issues, I guess, so to speak. The bike, I purchased 2 new Metzler tires for it. Metzler ME880 Ultra Marathon, some crap. Taking off the tires and putting them back on and such kind of got the better of me, so I don't know why I didn't film all that. I should have. But hey, we're back today with another install. More fun, I don't know. Just kind of hanging out in the garage today. It's a rainy day, so I won't be out riding the bike, taking out the Mustang. Just leaves me kind of stuck in the truck for today, but it's cool. I got a ride at least. I really do want to hear some comments talking about what y'all would like to see. More content of truck, Stang, bike. I'm really just trying to kind of get a feeler for the channel where everybody, what everybody wants to see. I mean, I kind of see my channel as an all-inclusive channel of my rides in general. Oh. Favorite band ever. Anyways, not a shameless plug. I ain't getting paid by nobody. But the bike is what we're doing today. Trying to cure this long throttle pull. Because like when you're getting on it, it's like this, and then you kind of have to pull back on it to get to full throttle, and it's kind of a pain in the butt. I don't know if Harleys are like that, or any other cruiser or whatever. But the Victory damn sure is, and to cure that, we got a Lloyd's quarter turn throttle ring. Now, I'll be honest, I've had this part, and I've meant to do this video for a couple months now, but I actually went to go, it's just kind of sitting on the kitchen counter or whatever, and I was like, meh, I'll get to it, it. Well, it's the perfect day for it, and why not? But one of the other reasons actually why I didn't get right around to it is because I accidentally ordered one for aftermarket grips. So we got us some Avon aftermarket grips. So we'll start getting the bike fixed up a little bit, get this stuff out of here. I did also get a new antenna for the bike. Let me see if I can turn this around here real quick. That's just a simple little thing, but I want to show you why. Every time I get on the bike, I kick that stupid antenna. So I just got a little 7-inch antenna. It should be better. Should be a lot better. But let's get on with the install, see how this goes. All right, so I'm going to start the install. Remove my cheese wedge because I need to access some junk down here. I'm going to go ahead and undo a couple screws here. Forget where Paul said that was. Good old Paul Parmelo. I think that's whose video I'm following for install. I'm definitely going to have to edit some of this crap out. It's hard to see. I'm wondering if I should do a first person type of install here with a GoPro on the head. Might be easier. I don't know if anybody wants to see something like that. I don't know. I'm just doing my thing. Well, shoot, let's see here.
I guess I gotta take the cruise control off, it looks like. I guess we'll be back. Well, so I got it all back together. Avon grip didn't work out. I probably would have been fine without the throttle ring with this grip and just cutting a groove in here, I think, because that's to fit around here. Either that or I could have shaved this right here and just inside here, but we got it in. I did have to resort to lifting up the gas tank, unbolting the seat and all that. I kind of wanted to take off the seat anyways to see what was happening under here, and also wanted to remove that backrest I had on there. I don't know if y'all saw it or not, but yeah, so this was probably more of a pain in the butt than it should have been. I took the cruise control loose. I took one throttle cable loose. Apparently there's two. The upper throttle cable is one that was giving me trouble that I didn't take loose, and that's my own fault. So, hey, I admit when I'm wrong. I admit when I do stuff wrong. Just like these grips, I thought they'd work. They don't. But, hey, as you can see, quarter turn. It's not like this and then more. It's just quarter turn. And that's definitely what I wanted. I'll try to work on finding some better grips, because I can't stand these things now. But maybe we'll do it again. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm gonna get moved on. I'll come back here in a couple minutes. I gotta find. I was kind of a dummy, and I forgot inside here there is this rubber O-ring that goes inside here, and then that goes in there. So I gotta find the one that I let go. I'm also missing the screw that went right under here. I think it'll be alright for right now. Yeah, right in, oh, where the hell it is. Anyways, yeah, right here. I'm missing that screw, so I gotta find it, and I'll be in business. But we'll be back with the rest of the install. So, I had a problem. I lost one of these precious little Victory gas tank rubber gasket holder sealer thingies. Well, I kind of lucked out. I went to my local parts store, Advance, and I picked up, oh, look at that, shock and end link bushings. Okay, so there's those. That's not the ones I cut up though. It's this guy, and if you can see, it's got this lip on it right here. She fits real good in there. I'll move the camera over so you can see it. But she fits real good in there. It's just too thick. See the thickness there? Bam! So if you just take this one right here and cut her in half, pretty much good to go. I think it'll work out. We're going to try this. See how she looks. I'm going to put the stock one behind it, and we're going to go from there. I am having a hell of a day, let me tell you, boys. I just lost the other one. Nope, it's in my hand. Nope, I lost the other one. I know the thing's around here somewhere. There it is. Okay, so we're going to put the stock parts on the left side. We're going to put the one I cut up right here. Oh, let's do that right quick because I'm trying to put this shit back. Junk! I'm trying to put this back together. So hard not to cuss sometimes, I tell you. Okay, yep, that's the stock one. Nope, that didn't work out so good. Where did that just go? Did I just lose it? I feel like I did. That's the one I lost earlier. Stop. I'll do this again. Okay. I'm gonna find the box now. What the hell did I do with it? I lose everything. I literally lose everything. Alright. So, I ran into a problem. I took off the tank so I could get to the throttle cables. And Victory, in their infinite wisdom, put a rubber bushing this side. Let me see if I can. Yeah, inside and outside. Then they put this through here, just like this. That was a little tight. Okay, so I showed it earlier. I'll probably try to splice this video a little bit together a little better. But I wound up having to cut two because when I was going to put this one on, because I only lost one, I lost another one. That's how easy they are to lose. So either you better have some of these round parts from Victory or something. But still, my modified shock bushing, I guess it shock and in link bushings. It's a Dorman Help part number 31019. It's getting me through in a pinch. I'm not going to bother to order the Victory parts. But, yeah, she goes right in. And then we got the bolts right here somewhere. All we got to do is line her up and get her done. I need to find my ratchet. But see, she works pretty good. This throttle ring is going to be nice, but it sure was a pain in the butt for what it was. I know there's probably people out there that can do it like that, but well, I'm not that guy. So all we really have left, everything's pretty much back together. I just got to take this part out of my seat and put her back on, because I'm removing. There's a backrest that came with the bike. I'm going to remove this piece right here, and we should be good. I just gotta say, well played, Hobnail. You built that strong. Thanks. Appreciate that. And whoever put that on the frickin' bike. That was a pain. Pocket. Putting the seat on right now. That Hobnail backrest put up a fight, I'll tell you. It's no match for B-Rent's garage, though, I'll tell you that. Y'all ain't gonna lie, this one was interesting. But we got it done. And we got to try this thing out. There we go. She's all snapped back into place. Everything's good to go. Let's fire this thing up. There's the keys. Neutral would be good. That's never good. I think we got her. Bye-bye, stock antenna. A low, short, stubby bottle opener antenna. That, my friends, is much better. Put this bag back on. You're lined up. That's all she wrote, folks. Gotta clean her up a little bit, get all the dust grindings off of her. I'm not gonna lie, I like that backrest, but it was a bit cumbersome. Riding to work, I wear a backpack for like a cooler situation. I take my lunch with me. It just got caught up, so you don't have to mess with that no more. And I'm glad I did that antenna. That was a good mod to me. Nothing significant, of course, but only thing left to do is take her for a ride. Well, we'll see how she runs here in a bit. Let's see what I'm talking about here with the throttle. It was much longer. This was a thank you, Lloydz, for coming up with that. It was much more worthwhile to me. And okay, so there's the new antenna. Not that it's real significant or important, but it's better than kicking this thing every time you get on. Imagine that. Right there like that. Just kicking that thing every time you get on. I say no thank you. Alright.